Welcome back, everyone. Today we're unlocking the secrets to remote Airbnb management. Imagine running your rental effortlessly, no matter where you are in the world. We've got 10 advanced tips to make that happen, and we're diving deep into each one to give you all the details you need. Let's get started. Tip 1 is all about simplifying access with self-check-in. Using key lockboxes or smart locks isn't just convenient, it reduces your dependency on being there in person. This tech allows guests to check in and out for themselves, which is essential for late arrivals or early departures, enhancing their overall experience and reducing your stress. Tip 2, embrace the power of vacation rental management softwares like IGMS. This technology can not only reduce your workload by over 50%, but also increase your bookings. For instance, quick response times are crucial for maintaining high visibility on Airbnb. Automated responses can immediately thank guests for their messages, boosting your Airbnb ranking by keeping you responsive. Plus, managing listings on multiple sites like Vrbo and even Google Vacation Rentals becomes seamless, ensuring you never face double bookings. It syncs your bookings, sends codes for smart locks automatically, coordinates with your cleaning and maintenance teams, and much more. Definitely a must-have for anyone running a short-term rental. Tip number 3, professional cleaning services are vital. They do more than just clean. They ensure your property meets high cleanliness standards, crucial for attracting repeat guests and securing top reviews. Providing a personalized cleaning checklist to your team can help maintain consistency and quality, making sure every corner of your property shines. Tip 4 is to establish a reliable team of maintenance vendors. This network should include professionals like plumbers, electricians, and handymen who are ready to respond swiftly to any issue. Quick fixes maintain property standards and guest satisfaction, protecting your reputation and preventing negative reviews. 5th, compile a comprehensive guest book. Include everything from Wi-Fi codes to local dining recommendations. An effective guest book answers common questions up front, reducing the need for guests to contact you. Make sure it's easily accessible and includes troubleshooting tips for appliances to empower guests to help themselves. 6th, implement safety and monitoring technology. Installing external cameras and smart locks helps you monitor your property remotely. These tools offer security for your property and peace of mind for your guests, ensuring a safe and secure environment. Codes can be auto-generated for guests by connecting your smart locks to platforms like IGMS with Jervis, automatically sending the codes to your guests, deleting them at checkout, and allowing your rental to pretty much run itself. 7th, consider hiring a local co-host. This person acts as your eyes and ears, handling day-to-day issues and providing immediate responses to guest inquiries. A good co-host can dramatically improve guest experiences and handle any inquiries and emergencies that might arise. Tip 8 focuses on dynamic pricing. Integrating platforms like IGMS with dynamic pricing tools such as PriceLab and DPGo can significantly boost your revenue. These tools analyze real-time market data for similar listings, including insights on pricing, demand, supply, cancellation policies, and occupancy rates. This data ensures you're maximizing your occupancy, your revenue, and your overall profit, keeping you ahead as new listings enter your market. 9th, it's crucial to effectively screen your guests. This process helps ensure that those staying at your property respect your space and follow house rules. Verifying guests through Airbnb's system and checking past reviews adds an extra layer of security and comfort, reducing the potential headaches with poor guests. And finally, tip 10 is to streamline communication. Automate as much as possible. Send check-in instructions, reminders, and thank yous through automated systems. This not only saves time, but also ensures that communication is consistent and professional, enhancing guest satisfaction. This can all be set up with platforms like IGMS, including communicating with cleaners, managing calendars, and more. Not only will using tools like IGMS combined with these tips allow you to manage your rental remotely, but it will also significantly reduce the amount of time you spend managing your rentals, allowing you to receive passive income and scale your rental business. If you enjoyed this deep dive into smart Airbnb management, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more insights. Have any questions or want to share your own remote management tips? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to see links to anything we talked about in this video, including the original article, just take a look in the description.